Hey y'all, I just released my first financial literacy ebook, How I Became Debt Free in 22 Months. This is an easy, educational, and encouraging guide. I want you to check it out. It's only $5. Look in the link in the description box below and click that button. Hey y'all, so I decided to make some penne pasta, and yes, I'm mixing pastas. They're both penne, just different brands because your girl was running out. I got my shrimp here, so yes, this is shrimp penne pasta. Got a little Old Bay, got a little Creole as well. I was trying not to over season it, so I just wanted to do just a little something. And you can see my salmon in the back because I was like, okay, I'm going to make it a shrimp and salmon pasta. I really love seafood, y'all. Seafood is like my spirit animal, okay? I am going to, saute my shrimp a bit. Y'all, that pan was a little too high. I have about 2 teaspoons of butter here, and I'm just giving it a little swirl around to make sure that it gets melted down. Y'all, I had to turn the fan on before the fire thing started barking away. And I have some minced garlic here. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that in. It really adds to, just the seasoning on the shrimp. It didn't take me long to cook these shrimp at all. And I got these jumbo raw shrimp from Aldi. I did peel them off camera. They were so good. I've never really bought the jumbo before. I will definitely be buying them again. I want to say they probably were like, maybe like $7 or $8. Definitely not $8 because I wouldn't have bought them. Maybe like between 6 and 7. But I really love Aldi's seafood section. They have just a great selection. So once I got these kind of, queued up, I was taking out my ingredients from my sauce. Listen, I don't like that Alfredo sauce in a can. It is disgusting, okay? It does not take a lot to go ahead and just make your sauce from scratch like what you're about to see me do here. So once my shrimp was done, I just kind of put them in my little bowl. And I like cooking the shrimp first because it kind of seasons up your sauce just a little bit more. So I got some more butter, y'all, because I didn't want my sauce to burn. So listen, this is not my most healthiest recipe, okay? We were more so going for taste here. So y'all don't judge me, okay? So I melted my butter down. Listen, I had to turn the fan down just a little bit. It was getting a little too loud for me. But I'm putting in some more minced garlic as well. I like the minced garlic in the sauce. A garlicky sauce is always good. I got some cooking wine. Listen, that was my last little bit, so I'm going to have to get some more of that. But the cooking wine is really the secret ingredient, y'all. It gives it that Olive Garden taste. I learned that little trick from Natasha's cooking channel. Shout out to her. Typically, I do utilize table cream, but I only had half and half. So I was like, listen, we're going to make it do what it do today. So I let it kind of boil down a bit before adding in some Parmesan cheese. I love Parmesan cheese. Listen, what is your sauce without cheese? Like, okay, so your girl is using the cheese up. At first, I was a little, apprehensive about putting in my half and half, putting in some more. But I wanted to make sure that I had enough sauce to thoroughly coat my noodles. So I ended up just using this whole thing. But as you can see, I am kind of letting it boil down a bit. Then I'm putting the cheese in. Then I'm adding in the half and half. So I'm adding it in kind of just a little at a time so it doesn't become too watery. Listen, watery sauce is a huge no. So let it boil down a bit in between. Definitely keep stirring as well. I probably should have been using a whisk, but I'm more of a spoon kind of girl, okay? So that's why you see me using this spoon here. Listen, the sauce was really good. This was my first time simply just using half and half. You already know you got to season up the sauce. I was going for more of a Creole style Cajun sauce. So I definitely added my Tony Chachere's there, but you don't want your sauce to be bland or boring. I'm surprised I didn't add my Old Bay here because sometimes I will. Now my noodles were nice and boiled, freshly boiled. And I just kind of gave it a little stir. I think I should have, made more sauce. Or maybe I had too much noodles. One of the two. But nonetheless, it still came out good. So I was trying not to be too messy, y'all. And just kind of get the sauce thoroughly coated over my noodles. So next time I will definitely, not put as many noodles in there. But it still came out good. You already see my meat in the back. Got my shrimp. And don't forget the salmon. Yes, I have my salmon. This just looks so pretty already. Y'all, when I tell you those shrimp was hitting, I ain't had no jumbo shrimp in a minute. And yes, I did air fry the salmon, because I like air fried salmon, y'all. It gives restaurant, okay? So I just put one piece on there for now and kind of broke it up a bit. Y'all, this came out so amazing. Y'all drop down in the comments and let me know, do you like shrimp pasta? And would you try mine?